Hi, and welcome to the world according to Larry. What we're going to do today is we're going to install this across the top of my windshield. I ordered this from Vinyl Status. It was relatively inexpensive as far as the things I've done to this car. And we're going to center it, I'm going to clean the windshield, center it, and install it. I just cleaned the car about 20 minutes ago. It's already turning green. Oh, that's fine. About 49 inches. This is a 40-inch, which is in the heat now. It's starting to buckle. I want to confirm it's 40 inches. It is not 40 inches. It's 36. Alright, so that's what I want to little finger grease. Yeah, this is not looking good. That worked. I'm gonna go put this in the refrigerator for a couple seconds. Feel this backing off. Alright, I'm back, and I have another crisis. So I peeled this off in the kitchen, put it in the fridge for a second, and then walking out here, it has now stuck to the stairs. I recommend doing this on a cooler day. It has some wrinkles, but the average person's not going to see them. Only I will see them coming up close. My advice, don't do it in direct sunlight. Don't do it on a hot day. Anyways, there you have it. $30 mod.
You've been experiencing the world according to Larry, and I'm Larry, and this is the world I live in. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like it, share it. I would love to hear your comments, and I would appreciate it if you subscribe. And until then, I'm in my world.